Mini Linear Servo Actuator. Mighty Zap has been designed for precise linear position control in small space. Not only position control, the Mighty Zap also supports force and speed control, and there are many other parameters which can be adjusted for custom usage, such as compliance margin and acceleration-deceleration value to change control character. From the shortest 27mm stroke lineup to the longest 90mm stroke, there are 4 different variations of stroke length. The Mighty Zap supports serial daisy chain connection, and 2 major alarms can be seen on the LED indicator, which are voltage and overload errors. This small servo actuator contains everything, such as dedicated gearbox, coreless DC motor, and even drive circuit for RS485 or TTL. It is also equipped with absolute tight position encoder, and rotary motion will be converted into the linear motion through the lead screw. The Mighty Zap can be used in various applications which need linear position control in small space, such as alignment, clamping, valve and stage control, dispensing, and etc. There are 4 different stroke options: 27mm, 40mm, 53mm, and 90mm stroke. And each stroke lineup has several different force and speed variation by different gear ratio. The strongest force model supports rated 100 newtons, which is 10 kilograms with the maximum speed 7.7 millimeters per second. Even if rated force is 100 newtons, maximum applicable force can be increased up to 200 newtons with reduced duty ratio. The fastest model has 110 millimeters per second speed at no load with 12 newtons rated force. Each stroke option has several different force and speed variations by gear ratio. The less stronger the force, the faster the speed due to gear ratio. The Mighty Zap provides force control features based on rated force, and attainable stall force is 5 times of rated force by force control. Smooth speed control is also available in 1024-step resolution. Bidirectional repeatability for position control is between plus or minus 60 to 100 micron meters according to each model's stroke length. Unidirectional repeatability is 4 times better than the bidirectional. Thanks to the mechanical friction, Mighty Zap provides self-lock feature without motor power from certain gear ratio. Various command data packet can be sent from the main controller, and each servo is able to send the feedback packet for position and current through TTL and RS485 communication. We provide our own protocol, and Modbus protocol will be added in near future for easier industrial interface. The Mighty Zap is being used in various industries with its unique feature, and we welcome more exciting customers' applications with Mighty Zap. We help your great invention with our linear motion. IR Robot, the professional manufacturer for Mini Linear Servo Actuator.